Hey, welcome to Cooking with Rangerrob. Grab your aprons and let's get started, guys. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to see our future videos. This video is made possible by Rangerrob Poopy Bags, available in Amazon right now. Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Rangerrob. Today's kind of a special day because you guys know I usually cook with a Traeger, but I love my Traeger, but a lot of times you can't sear your steaks and things like that unless you take it in the house and you put it on an iron grill, and then you get smoke all over the house. So I finally, today, just got our first Blackstone. I did a 28-inch, so this is brand new. We just got it assembled. In fact, that's the box right there. Propane tank, we used one of those instant ones where you go to a Home Depot, you check it out, and then when it's empty you just go get another one, which is kind of new for me. Normally I go and fill up my own propane tanks. So the next thing I guess we're supposed to do is season the grill. So we're going to learn how to do that, but before we do that, you can see my Traeger gets dusty out here. So now it's right next to this beautiful Blackstone. We're going to wash, I'm going to clean the Traeger first before we start all this. So anyway, yeah, new 28-inch Blackstone. Really looking forward to trying it. So to start this process, you add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, which I'm using olive oil. And you do this process maybe 5 times. So what we're going to do is, this is the very first time. You can see it's kind of thick. I'm going to spread this all over the grill, put it at high temperature. Obviously, I'm doing this with a paper towel and a device to keep me from burning myself. So I'm going to saturate this grill really well, and this is all part of the seasoning process. And we're going to burn it down, and then when it stops smoking, I'm going to do it again and again and again. And so I spent a good maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, just going through the process of doing this. And no, it doesn't make your grill turn black right away, but that's the ultimate goal, is Blackstone will turn black over time. So this is how I did it. And really the process is just heat her up, burn it off, add it again, and keep the process going until you think you got it seasoned. So guys, we just got done seasoning this. We did the cycle about 5 times. We spent actually several hours doing it. We just used oil, and actually we just used, what kind of oil did we use? Olive oil. And worked really good. We're going to power it down now, let it cool, and then hopefully next time we talk to you, we will be cooking on it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world. Thanks.